What's the meaning of adorably? Adorably. 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 Adorably is an adverb that describes something in a way that is charming or cute, often to the point of being endearing. It implies affection and fondness for something or someone. When something or someone is described as adorably, it suggests that they have qualities or behaviors that make them lovable and attractive. This could refer to physical features, personality traits, or actions that are perceived as delightful. Overall, adorably conveys positive emotions and a warm, fuzzy feeling towards whatever or whoever it describes.